Which one is red? Can you see? Look at the foods in front of me. Pancake, banana, or strawberry. Which one is red? Can you see? It's the strawberry, small and sweet, red and juicy, fun to eat, with tiny seeds and a leafy head. That's the one that's bright and red. Which one is yellow? Can you see? Look at the foods in front of me. Apple, lemon, or broccoli. Which one is yellow? Can you see? It's the lemon, tart and bright, yellow like the morning light, sour slices full of zing. Lemons make your taste buds sing. Which one is blue? Can you see? Look at the foods in front of me. Blueberry, orange, or celery. Which one is blue? Can you see? It's the blueberry, round and small, the bluest berry of them all. Tiny treats in every bite, blue and sweet and just right. Which one is green? Can you see? Look at the foods in front of me. Potato, lettuce, or iced tea. Which one is green? Can you see? If you said lettuce, you're right. I can't stop at just one bite. Green and fresh from top to base. Lettuce brings a healthy taste. Which one is purple? Can you see? Look at the foods in front of me. Eggplant, bread, or zucchini. Which one is purple? Can you see? It's the eggplant, smooth and round, purple all the way around. Cook it, roast it, it's always yummy. Eggplant, egg, get in my tummy. Which one is pink? Can you see? Look at the foods in front of me. Pickled, cupcake, or spaghetti. Which one is pink? Can you see? It's the cupcake, sweet and bright, pink and swirly, such delight. Frosting piled up to the top. Take a bite and never stop. Song is done. We learned and laughed and had some fun. Clap your hands and shout with glee. Come back soon and sing with me.
Thanks for watching.